In this video, I'll show you how to create a media kit with Claude AI. This is a quick way to generate a professional media kit for your brand, business, or social media profile. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a media kit. For example, I might type, "Create a media kit for a content creator focused on tech reviews." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a media kit outline, usually including sections like an introduction, audience details, content overview, and collaboration options. If I want a more detailed media kit, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the niche, audience size, or platforms. For example, I might type, "Create a media kit for a lifestyle influencer with 50,000 followers on Instagram." Claude can also help format the content with clear sections and professional wording. Once the media kit is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it in a document or presentation. And that's it. I've successfully created a media kit using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.